This is a Pen-y-Chain, or to the millions of holidaymakers who have flocked here, thanks to Mr Butlins, it's probably better known as Penny Chain. The first part of the name is simple, pen, which means head, or in this instance, the headland, referring to this piece of land jutting out into the sea. Y-Chain is the plural of ychen, which means ox, type of cow. Similar place names in English would be Oxford or Oxley. So the name Pen-y-Chain tells us how this piece of land may have been used by our farming ancestors. There are other possible explanations for this place name too, and the best story that Pen-y-Chain has to offer requires us to turn our attention to the waves. Cantre'r Gwaelod is a well-known story to us in Wales. It tells the tale of a kingdom doomed to be consumed by the sea after the hapless Seith Ennin failed to close the floodgates in time. It lies somewhere out there. And according to legend, when the storms roll in, you can still hear the sound of the bells of Cantre'r Gwaelod. Some versions of the legend tell of King Gwyddno Garan Hir being the sole survivor of this catastrophe. When he saw the flood waters rushing in, he escaped on horseback and made it to the nearest high ground. These same legends suggest that this piece of land jutting out into the waves is where Gwyddno found safety. This is the spot where, on turning to witness his kingdom and his people disappearing under the waves forever, King Gwyddno Garan Hir let out a hopeless and grief-stricken sigh. The Welsh for sigh is Ochain, Pen-y-Chain. In these modern times, some might say that a different kind of floodgate has been opened, and to avoid history repeating itself, we need to stand our ground so that the next generations don't sigh deeply when they think of Penny Chain.